Taking picture of Dean Abel. He's just 94 years old, that's all. Just 94 years old. And Janie, I'm not going to say Janie's age. 25. 25. Janie's 25. Okay. 194. Okay. And Helen and my adopted girlfriend. Yeah. And mother. Okay, so say something. Say something.
Viola, going to have a birthday this month too.
Viola, that's right. Viola has a birthday on the 22nd. Okay, so Viola's birthday, we have to celebrate it too. So remember, we have at least 4 birthdays to celebrate. Okay, so
one here too.
Okay, what's yours? Yeah, the 5th?
8th of January.
The 8th of January. Okay, so we have another one here, the 8th of January. So that's 5 birthdays. And George, you're the 8th of January too? Oh, you're the 8th. Well, then what are you?
He's the 8th too.
Really?
Yeah.
And you have the same name too?
Years.
Cool. How you like that? What a coincidence. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. And yeah. And Esther, thank you, Esther. Thank you very much. And Robert.
You're getting younger.
Well, they tell me I don't look 71, so I guess I'll have to listen to them. Yeah.
It's worth having a party right there.
Right. 71. Can you imagine that, George? Okay. All right. So let's go to the next table.
I enjoy being here with you.
I surely.
You called all these days.
I surely appreciate your coming. That's really makes me feel good.
It's like homecoming again.
Right. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to go to the next table now. Okay. All right. So, okay, now here's the other birthday girl right here. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I think every 2 days.
And show him your flashing lights, honey.
The last one she was going to
Right, okay, good. Okay.
have a great
And
pancakes,
And Hilda, what do you have to say, Sha?
a meal.
I think Bob should stop what he's doing. Sit down and
Well, I have to get everybody represented, and then I'm going to sit down. Okay? Okay. All right. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay.
All I have to say is the food is good.
The food is good. The company, what about the company?
Oh, it's all right.
It's just the birthday boy that's no good, huh?
In May.
Good. Thank you, Letha, for making that cake, by the way. Appreciate it. Okay, I think I have. Well, I didn't get Delta. Hey, what you have to say? Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
happy birthday, Bob.
Okay, I said thank you before I got the happy birthday, didn't I? Good to see you, Juanita.
Good to see you.
Thanks for coming, dear. My birthday, and Burl's birthday, and the 2 Georges' birthday, and Viola's birthday, and who else? Let's see, and Wilton's birthday, and a lot of people.
George had a birthday at the beginning of January.
Right, the 8th. Not only this George, but the other George too.
We all had a birthday somewhere.
Yeah, but anyway, what a nice party this is, and I thank you all for coming. Okay, that's it. Now press it again. Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, thank you.
I gotta tell y'all a little history of this guy Bob. He's my grandson, my illegitimate grandson. Now, I got it.
Thank you very much. Okay. And we have cake coming. Letha made some delicious cake for us, and she's fixing it up for us. Letha makes the best cake in the world.